Hey guys, so let's solve this problem that is asked to find the perimeter of this geometric figure. So the perimeter is the sum of all the sides of the geometric figure. Note that the sides that we do not know are the ones in red and the ones in blue. So let's start with the horizontal ones. So we have these sides here in red that are horizontal and this one 4 meters that we already know. So let's start saying that the perimeter is equal to 4 plus this side, and this side. But note that the sum of this with this and with this side is equal to 4. So we're going to add 4. So now let's jump to the vertical ones. So we already know this vertical side that equal to 2 meters. Let's add it to our equation. We do not know this side here. Let's call it x and add it to our equation. This side over here, we already know is 3 meters. Let's add it to our equation. And this side here, we do not know. Let's write it in terms of x. So note that this side is equal to 3 meters plus this part here. But this part is equal to 2 minus x. So this side here is equal to 3 plus 2 minus x. That will result in 5 minus x. Let's add it to our equation. This x will cancel with this one. Now we just have to make the sum. Perimeter equals to 8, 10, 13, 18 meters. Other problems are appearing on the screen. Choose the one that most suits you. See you.